Welcome to the online course on Programming in Python by Hemant Academy. In this session, we are going to create a function that returns a value. We know that a function is a block of code that is used to perform a desired independent task. A function can accept parameters and can also return a value. By default, Python functions implicitly return a value which is none. The return keyword is used to explicitly return a value from the function. The returned value can be stored in a variable and can be used further based on requirements. There can be 0 or more number of return statements in a function. During execution, whenever the function encounters the return statement, the control automatically gets transferred back with any specified value from where the function has been called. Let us see this in example by creating temperature conversion function. Before creating the function, consider the following problem statement. Temperature of your city, Delhi, is 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Chennai city is 5 degrees Fahrenheit hotter than Delhi. Temperature of Goa is 7 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than Delhi. Now you have to print temperature of all the cities in Fahrenheit. First, create a function which converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula is Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Def, then name of the function C2F, within parenthesis specify name of the parameter, for example C, then colon. Within the body of the function, use the formula to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit, that is F equal to C into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Then print the Fahrenheit. Now call the function C2F with the value of an argument as 30. Save and execute the program. The program executed successfully and printed the temperature in Fahrenheit. Let us store the return value in a variable and print the same. dl equal to C2F within bracket 30. The returned value will be stored in the variable dl. Print the temperature in Delhi in the form of Fahrenheit. Save and execute. You can notice the returned value from the function is none. Instead of printing value of the Fahrenheit in the function, we should return the value using the statement return followed by the value which is F. Execute and check the result. Now we can use the returned value for calculating temperature of Chennai and Goa, then print those values. Try to create a function for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. We will see more about the functions in the next lecture. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.